Almost a year since a knock on the door
Are you able to tell us anything?
and Annika Smethurst's home and world were turned upside down. The High Court believes the federal police botched it.
It's one step forward in a long path, and I guess that has brought with it some relief.
All 7 High Court justices throwing out the warrant the AFP used to search her Canberra apartment and seize data from her phone in June 2019.
It really hasn't brought any closure for me and everybody working on my case.
Every Australian has the right to challenge these types of matters, and it's been challenged.
In April 2018, News Corp Sunday papers splashed with Ms Smethurst's story, leaked classified plans to expand the powers of Australia's international listening post, the Australian Signals Directorate, allowing it to spy on home soil. The AFP launched an investigation into how such documents ended up in the media's hands. But the High Court today ruled the search warrant wasn't specific enough in outlining what Ms Smethurst was meant to have done wrong.
The Australian Federal Police need to comply with the rule of law.
3 out of 7 justices said the AFP should return the seized phone data, but without a consensus, no order was made.
At this moment, it's quarantine. Investigators are not able to look at that.
The High Court had also been asked to consider whether this entire affair had also breached the implied constitutional freedom of political communication. But because the warrant itself had been found faulty, the court decided it didn't need to wade into that broader debate. As a result, it's unlikely today's decision will have much of an impact on other ongoing police investigations, including the one which led to the ABC's offices being raided the very next day.
The government now needs to rule out prosecution.
Since the raids, the government has conceded there are plans to expand ASD's scope in some capacity to target people like online sex offenders. Vindication of a sort, but not a shield against further investigation.
I never wanted to be the poster girl for press freedom.
As many journalists would attest. Matthew Doran, ABC News, Canberra.